Hey guys, my name is Zane Chowdhury and I work for Porsche Southpoint. Today I'll show you how to book an appointment online. Alright, the first step to booking an appointment online would be going to PorscheSouthpoint.com and then hovering over Service and Parts and then going over to Schedule a Service. On this screen you'll see three options. I'm new here. If this is the first time you're visiting Porsche Southpoint, you'll be able to register. The second option is Find Me. You can enter your phone number and edit any existing appointment. The third option, Log Me In. If you've been here before, you can simply enter your username and log in. So we're going to select I'm New here and select the vehicle we have. So we'll select Porsche and then we'll select the model. So we're going to go with 2018 and we'll select the Porsche Cayman. Once we do that, we'll be able to look at which model we have, if it's an automatic, manual, and we'll also be able to look at the trim model that we have. So we will select the GTS Coupe. Once we've selected that, we get to enter the mileage of the car. And then we select Next, and on the next screen, there is a suggested service, and this would always help you to figure out if you need the service or not, or if you're stuck in figuring out what your car needs. After that's been selected, you can go on to select the additional services you would like for us to work on. After selecting all the services, you may click Next, and this will prompt you to a scheduling appointment screen. Once you're on the screen, you can select what day works for you. And so, for example, we'll try Friday at 9:20 a.m. and we'll hit the Next button. To finalize your appointment, review and book your appointment. Make sure the date, time, and services are all listed. Enter your contact information and confirm the appointment by hitting Book It. And we really appreciate you here at Porsche Southpoint for booking an appointment online. It's very easy and convenient, and we would love to take care of you in the future.